the Transfer of Property Act and the Indian Succession Act provide a comprehensive framework for understanding gifts and their revocability. At its core, the general principle is that once a gift is accepted by the donee, it cannot be revoked later by the donor. This rule applies to both movable and immovable property, albeit with different requirements for execution. The Transfer of Property Act, in Section 122, defines a gift as the transfer of certain existing movable or immovable property made voluntarily and without consideration by one person to another, and accepted by or on behalf of the donee. Sections 123 and 126 further elaborate on the methods of making gifts. For immovable property, a gift must be effected by a registered instrument, regardless of the property's value. In the case of movable property, a gift can be made either by a registered instrument or by delivery of the property to the donee. However, the Indian Succession Act 1925 introduces a unique concept in Chapter 33 under the title of Gifts in Contemplation of Death. This special type of gift, applicable only to movable property, is governed by Section 191 of the Act. This provision allows for a more flexible approach to gifting in specific circumstances. Section 191 outlines that a person may dispose of movable property by gift made in contemplation of death, provided they could dispose of it by will. Such a gift is made when a person ill and expecting to die shortly delivers possession of movable property to another to keep as a gift in case the donor dies of that illness. Importantly, this type of gift can be resumed by the giver, does not take effect if the giver recovers from the illness during which it was made, and does not take effect if the giver survives the person to whom it was made. In conclusion, while the general rule states that accepted gifts cannot be revoked, gifts made in contemplation of death present a notable exception. These gifts remain revocable and only take effect under specific conditions, primarily the death of the donor from the illness during which the gift was made. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.